Hello everyone. In this video, I will be telling you about pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a pea-sized gland located below the brain. As you can see, pea-sized means it's so small, but it has got numerous functions. Now, you all would have heard that pituitary gland is also called master gland, but do you wonder why is it called the master gland? Well, let me tell you. Now it secretes several hormones, but some regulate the activity of other endocrine glands, which simply means the secretions of pituitary gland is gonna regulate the secretions of other glands. Isn't it a job like master? Hence, it's called the master gland. Now, let me tell you the functions of major hormones produced by the pituitary gland. The first one to go is the growth hormone. Now, as the name suggests, growth hormone. So, it regulates growth, especially in the adolescent years. And if you're having a doubt, like what is adolescent and what is adolescent years, what is adolescence? So, let me tell you that you know that growing up is a very natural process. The period of life when the body undergoes development leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. The period between 10 to 19 years of age in an individual's life is called adolescence. It normally begins around the age of 12 and lasts up to 18 or maybe 19 years of age. However, this period may vary from person to person. In girls, adolescence may begin in a year or two earlier than in boys. So, I think adolescence and adolescent year is clear, but for more detailed analysis on what is adolescence, what are the physical changes during adolescence, the related psychological changes, how to manage it, all I'm going to tell you in the next video. So, let's get going with the growth hormone. So, it regulates growth in the adolescent years. An insufficient amount of growth hormone. Now, think that the growth hormone is not produced in a sufficient amount. What will happen? Your body will not grow, you will not become taller, your muscles will not grow. Well, this causes dwarfism. And what if the growth hormone is secreted in excess? You will be too big, too tall. So this results in gigantism. Next to come is thyroid stimulating hormone. As the name suggests, thyroid stimulating hormone. It means that this thyroid stimulating hormone, which is in short called the TSH, but make sure you don't write it in their exams. So, this thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates the production of thyroxine, which is produced by the thyroid gland. So, it stimulates thyroid gland to produce thyroxine. The next is follicle stimulating hormone. Now, as the name suggests, follicle stimulating hormone FSH, it influences the production of sperms in males and ova or the eggs in females. The pituitary gland plays a very important role in this. Well, the next is oxytocin. Now, hearing the name, you must be thinking that oxytocin, something related to oxygen, respiration, breathing, but no. It's about an important role of pituitary gland in the process of birth, as it produces hormones which causes the contraction of the muscles of the uterus during the childbirth. In my previous videos, I have talked about it. You will find the link in the description. I have talked that the uterus during the childbirth, it does powerful contractions with which the head of the baby or the fetus oozes out first, followed by the rest of the body. So, this is the hormone which produces or which causes the contraction of the muscles of the uterus. And another is prolactin. Now, after a child is born, it's suggested to give mother's milk. But have you ever wondered how does the mother's milk come? And how is it not there before a child's birth? And how does it disappear after few months? Very good question. Well, prolactin is the hormone which stimulates the breasts to produce milk after childbirth. Very interesting. So, as I've already said, in the next video, I will be telling you about adolescence, the related psychological changes, and their physical changes. Thanks for watching.